What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and for today's video we're going to be discussing how to resell shoes and clothes for beginners. This is for beginners. Like, you can get really advanced into this and get bots and join like cook groups. This is just for a complete beginner's guide and looking to make some green, which is why we got the background green today. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to keep this video short and sweet, because I think honestly this is not that difficult. I think you guys can do it if you wanted to. How to resell shoes for beginners. So first thing you're going to want to do, if you don't already have it, download Twitter, download StockX. Those are two apps that you're going to need to resell, I feel like. Some people do it without Twitter, but it's way easier. On Twitter, you're going to want to follow specific accounts like Sneaker Twitter, J23, and then for Supreme, Drops by J. Those are just accounts that are going to keep you updated on what's coming out, when something is released, just what shoes are coming down the line that you should be checking for. So you follow those accounts, and then you're going to want to do some research on if that specific upcoming drop is going to be profitable for you, if it's going to resell. And the way I personally do research is I watch YouTube, I look at Instagram posts, and I look at Twitter. I've been doing this long enough where I could kind of tell if something's going to resell and what it's going to resell for, but I usually do double check with these outlets. So on YouTube, I would suggest checking out Tommyboy TV. On Twitter, I would check a page like Retail or Resell. I'm going to be showing these throughout the video. And then I would also on Instagram follow cop_o_clock. Those are all outlets where they're going to be like giving you resale predictions. Now, are they always right? No. Are they usually wrong? No. They're usually pretty accurate, pretty on par. So let's say we're a week from today. The smoke gray Jordan 1s are coming out. You've seen that on the Twitter accounts, and then you watched a video where they give a resale prediction and they say that they're going to resell, so you're going to go after them, you're going to try to get them. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to these websites, Solinks, and then on Twitter you're going to want to follow a Raffle Retriever. They're private right now, but I think they let people in eventually. But Solinks, it will give you a bunch of links of which websites will be releasing the shoes. So once you go onto a page like Solinks, they'll be giving you a list of the shoes that are dropping and links to them, what time, what day they're dropping, and then on that day, on that time, you click that link, boom, you're at the product page, and you just try to add it to cart, check out, and see if you can get it. With a page like Raffle Retriever, it's a Twitter account where they just update all of the raffles that are going on for that specific shoe. So like the smaller stores, they'll often just raffle the shoes that they get, the limited ones, to just random people. You just have to sign up for their email list, and then you'll get a chance to buy them. Following Raffle Retriever, you'll get the notifications of all these email lists to sign up for, so that you have a chance to win a lucky random raffle of some random store that you never heard of. But if you do that enough, eventually you'll take a W. I've taken some raffle W's myself. That's how you get the product. That's how you try to obtain the product. I know it sounds complicated, but if you kind of just go step by step and then do it a few times, you'll get used to it, and then it becomes pretty easy. The fact of the matter is, if it's an extremely hyped up, high reselling shoe, you probably won't get it. Your chances are slim, it's gonna be tough to get, but if you keep trying, eventually you will get the shoe. Some shoes as well also will release on the SNKRS app. Actually, most of the Nike Jordan releases will release on the SNKRS app, which has a ton of stock, and your chances are probably the highest. Like I said, follow Sneaker Twitter or J23, and they'll let you know when those shoes are going to be live on the SNKRS app. Just set a notification for yourself and make sure that when those shoes drop on the SNKRS app, you are there and you enter the little raffle that they have for like a few minutes. I've won a lot of time on the SNKRS app, and that's probably your best shot for Nike and Jordan shoes. That's pretty much the steps that I would take to buying the product. So let's say you just got the smoke gray Jordan 1s, which come out in 9 days. You clicked one of the links at the right time and got them on one of the websites for $185. Once those shoes come in and you have them in hand, you're going to go to the StockX app and you're going to see what they're going for. And in those resale videos that I suggested earlier, they may have suggested either hold the shoe for a while or sell it right away. You look at the value for that specific size and similar shoes, past releases, and see the trajectory of those. So for example, the smoke gray Jordan 1s that are coming out, you got those for $185, and they're going for maybe 220, look at the last couple Jordan 1 releases and see the trajectory that those took, and see if those are going up, if they kind of plateaued in value, or if they just take forever to rise in value. Maybe you'll just want to sell them right then, right away. Then if you end up holding them, you're just gonna want to keep checking the app, monitoring the price to see if it goes up, if it goes down. Yeah guys, so it's that simple. I know it sounded like a lot, but if you follow the right people on the right social media accounts like Twitter and Instagram and YouTube, you'll get more information on how to buy them, on what the resale value is for that specific shoe. It'll all make sense and you'll be ready to go. That is a complete beginner's guide on how to cop shoes to resell. Like I said, some people will get bots and join cook groups. That ups their success, but a lot of times that requires investing money and stuff like that. If you are just looking to buy a shoe to resell, this is it. It's that simple. There's probably more ways out there that I don't even know, that I didn't even cover, which is probably the case. But this is just kind of what I do. That takes care of this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Hit the like button and drop a comment and tell your friends about the channel as well. Hope you guys have a good one. Peace. Many men, many men wish they for me. Yeah, I don't cry no more. I don't look to the sky no more, 'cause I got it on me.